Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a quick video on my Honda HR215 lawnmower. So yeah, it's a really good lawnmower. I'm going to be doing some grass cutting with it and showing you guys how to use it. So first of all, I'll just show you stuff about handlebars. So this black lever here, if you push it in, that's to turn the blades on. And if you let go of it, that's the blades off. The silver lever here is just self-propelled, so you just squeeze it in, and that's the self-propelled on. And here you've got your throttle, so if you put it right up, that's turned off, and then about here's low throttle, and then right down at the bottom is choke. I've got no idea what this lever is for, this big black one. It's got 2 and 3, but I'm pretty sure it should be a 1 about there. So I've got no idea what that is, but if you know what it is, please drop it down in the comments, as it would be very helpful. So yeah, and then coming down to my, you've got your pull cord here obviously. Below that, I don't know how well you guys can see, but here you've got your fuel tap, so that's on, and then twist it round, it's off. So yeah, I'm just gonna do some grass cutting now, and yeah, this is gonna be a cold start, and it is quite cold this morning, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Just give it some throttle, about half throttle, and then we'll try start. There we go, that's now started. It idles really well, so yeah. Now I'll just get you into a good position and then I'll do some grass cutting. If I put you guys about there, you'll be able to watch me do some grass cutting, so here we go. There we go, just did a bit of grass cutting with it. So yeah, when you rev it, a bit of smoke does come out, as I just showed you there, but it's not too bad. So yeah, it does a really neat job of cutting your grass. So I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but yeah. So you've got your fuel here, and then around the other side you've got that yellow oil dipstick. So yeah, like I said, this lever here, I've got no idea what it does. But if you could tell me in the comments what it does, that'd be very helpful. So yeah, bye for now, and yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Yeah, bye.